project Jamie has set out to accomplish has been a lifelong dream of his. A custom-designed 65-foot sailboat based on a Bruce Roberts Voyager deck, the project has been no easy feat. With everything on the line, Jamie has committed the last chapter of his life to completing this build to sail around the world and live out his dream.
Hey, I'm Jamie. I'm the guy who's known for being obsessed with building his own boat here in the desert and sailing off into my retirement. It's a long story that I'd love to share with you and have you follow me on my journey from the build to the launch. I met a new friend on findacrew.com and I told her about my story and she told me about Patreon. Me being not the most tech-savvy guy, but her being a tech-savvy girl, we decided to pair up and see if anyone's interested in the story.